Hey guys, I just want to update you that everything is fine. Sorry that I haven't been uploading for a while. It's because baby is here. As you can see, she's on me. Sorry. And all I do is take care of her. I've been trying to sleep for the last couple of times when I can. What else? Dealing with this newborn is pretty hard. She is 6 days old now, and I filmed a video this morning, and I was gonna upload it. Sorry for bad quality, but I just can't sit on the computer without like passing out, and it's kind of hard to hold her and edit at the same time. I'm at the stage where I can't put her down in her little crib right there and like just leave her. It's kind of hard. I'm still adjusting, so give me some time. Everything will work out. I will start doing vlogs soon. I have some equipment coming, so yeah. Just give me some time, and once I get like myself situated, I will have videos back. As for right now, not right now. So more vlogs to come, or more vlogs, stay tuned for more vlogs when I have my equipment, when I get myself situated, and I guarantee there'll be a video. So doesn't mean you hate to stop watching, and yeah, I might go live sometime just cause it might be easier, so stay tuned for that. I won't go as much as often, but I don't know, it depends. So you probably see videos like this from now on, just to give you a little update. That way I can post something and not just have like videos that are not just there. So that's pretty much it. And my glasses is off. This is me without my glasses because I'm content, I'm chilled, I'm like propped up. I'm not going anywhere. So yeah. Oh, and full bed room tour. So that's the crib. That's my bed. This is my rocking chair that I'm in. Whoa. That's baby's stuff from the thing. Baby's dresser. As for right now. And then, yeah, so that's pretty much typical needs. I would have like a couple more setups to do, but that's gonna be a while. And baby is right here. So yeah, she's sound asleep. So this is my chance to get some sleep. So yeah, I had to give it to the husband because I had to go pee, and then had to take a shower and do my thing. And then now the husband, now he's back with me. She's back with me, so the husband can have a little quality time because this is his last time, his day off. So let him just catch up on some video games and stuff. So that's pretty much it. So mahalo nui for watching. I hope you guys understand. Oh, and by the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram or Twitter, I guess the gender name review should be renounced. Her name is Odessa. That's Odessa, Odessa. Okay, Angelina, not Angelina, and Delina. That's Adelina. Rose, Kamahao Keikilani, wires. Keiki Kamahao means marvelous, astonishing, wonderful. Keiki is child, Lani is heavenly, so marvelous, astonishing, wonderful, heavenly child. Again, her name is Odessa and Delina Rose. Rose is a common name in his family. Every girl has that. And then Kamahao Keikilani wires. Kamahao Keikilani is basically a Hawaiian name that I given her because in my family, Hawaiian names are very common. So that's pretty much it. That's her name reveal. If you didn't actually see the slideshow or whatever, I'll tell you the name, how to pronounce it. Ooh, sorry. So I better go and get some sleep. And if I talk too much, she probably will wake up. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Mahalo nui noa. Aloha oi. Catch you guys on the next wave. Shoots, 'cause I know how to